Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from Messenger. Facebook has been doing a lot of updates and changes and things are getting more and more complicated. It is harder and harder to find the actual menu. So let's dive in. First of all, let's launch the Messenger app. Now you want to go on the top left corner where you have the three stripes. You click on them. Then when you have your account page pull on the side, you want to click on the gear icon. When you click on the gear icon, you will go into your settings. You want to scroll all the way down. When you're all the way down on the account center meta, you want to click on see more account center. When you're here, you want to click on password and security. It's almost at the end of the menu. When you click on password and security, you have the option to see security checks. This will help you to review the security issues and where you actually log in, which devices you log in, which emails, and how you can actually log out from some of those devices or pages or websites. So you click on where you're currently logged in. Here you will find all the accounts that you currently log in. You will see which account is associated with what device. For example, you have a tablet, you have a laptop, and you have another phone that are all currently logged in into your account. Very important, this function will also show you all the linked accounts. For example, if you're running a couple of different Instagram pages, and if you link these pages with Facebook, and I bet you already did, well, you will have the option to actually remove the devices that are currently logged in, either on the Facebook account, on Messenger account, or on Instagram account. This is very helpful because you will be able to change your settings once for all of the accounts at the same time. You don't have to go individually on Instagram settings or Facebook settings, or here in this particular case with Messenger settings. But as you saw, it is getting harder and harder, and they try to essentially hide this particular function. I'm not gonna be surprised if future you might not be able to delete your account and you have to send an email with the inquiry for you to get your account deleted. It will not be an option for you manually to click delete my account or deactivate my account. This is my expectation and my own personal opinion. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and come back for more.